I'm very aware it's the last one, and following all of that is horrific, so apologies. Good morning, Bore Da. It's a real pleasure to be here today, celebrating reading and all the joy it brings. Let's just say that word again, all the joy that it brings. Thank you so much to the Welsh Books Council. In 2012, I was working at the Olympic Games, the Taekwondo competitions in London. All nations were there striving for the ultimate prize, the gold medal. I was directing a presenter who was trying hard to introduce the competitions, but it was hopeless. The chanting and the stamping resounded around the arena, getting louder and louder and louder. J. Jones, J. Jones, J. Jones. Out came this slight young woman who set the place alight. All my BBC training about bias was gone in an instant as the Welsh flag was raised in the corner of the stadium. Next to it, a sign proudly proclaimed, Flint High School. Nobody could be in any doubt where our Jade came from. She'd already beaten the #1 in the world and was guaranteed the silver medal. But for Jade, that would never ever be enough. It was Jade, the headhunter, against the double world champion. The Welsh dragon roared, and it was Great Britain's first ever Taekwondo gold medal. The BBC commentator at the time said it all, "You little beauty." Jade, just like Nicole Cook before her, inspired a whole generation of young women to pursue their dreams. In one of the toughest Olympic sports, she showed what desire, determination and focus can achieve in your chosen field. Following on her success, many accolades have come her way. The gold postbox in her beloved Flint, the J. Jones Pavilion named in her honour, BBC Wales Sports Personality of the Year, the MBE. But she talks with greatest pride of being invited back to Flint High School, walking into the school assembly, not to the morning hymn, but to the pounding beat of Eye of the Tiger, with teachers and pupils crying alike. She still is their Jade. She can see the transferable skills between sport and education and is keen to inspire and motivate others to work hard and be the best they can be. In China, Jade has a special significance as a precious stone, and they value it as highly as diamonds. In Wales, our Jade is special too, pure gold. Thank you.